if you're experiencing crashing issues with your PlayStation 5, calibrating it properly can help resolve these problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Restart the console. Begin by completely powering off your PlayStation 5. Unplug it from the power source for about a minute before plugging it back in and turning it on. This can help reset any temporary glitches. Step 2. Update system software. Navigate to the settings menu and select system software. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your system's software up to date can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Rebuild database. Turn off the console and boot it into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This process can help fix corrupted data that may be causing crashes. Step 4. Check for overheating. Ensure that your console is in a well-ventilated area and not obstructed by dust or other objects. Overheating can lead to performance issues and crashes, so keep the console cool and clean. Step 5. Reset console to factory settings. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, consider resetting your console to factory settings. Go to Settings, then System, and select Reset options. Choose Reset your console and follow the prompts. Be sure to back up your data first, as this will erase everything. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues with your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.